Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily train and rank up your player in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So upgrade your player now. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner, new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. So let's get started by tap your club, tap the players, and for example I'm choosing my goalkeeper Riznik. Tap the detail here. I'm choosing him to upgrade because I do have three of him. This one, two, three. So make sure you have a duplicate of a player. Just tap training and make sure the he is until level 5, already level 5 here. For example, training level 5, make sure your player a 5 in level 5, sorry. After that you can rank up this player by choosing the same player, this one. You can only choose one and tap to rank up, tap to confirm, and from 80 become 81, and training cap become 10 and skill point plus 1. This I'm choosing the diving and tap to confirm. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the text button below. Enjoy the game.